Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Vince here, Complete Home Remodeling for another DIY video. Today we're doing a kitchen, and what you're going to learn here is how to utilize standard 30-inch wall cabinets on the back end of an island that we're going to fabricate to give homeowner functionality with the front of the island and the reverse of the island, which is the main portion into the kitchen area. So we're doing a custom kitchen. We have some upgraded cabinets here. Very nice indeed. Very large kitchen. We expanded because our staircase for the basement used to come down this way. We changed it, retooled the carpentry and the structure of the house. That gives us a new basement entryway on the opposite of the sink. So we have advantage here with dining area. We have a formal dining room in the back, so we're going to use dining area and make one big gigantic kitchen. And this is turning out really superb so far, if I must say so. So here's the idea, and this is why we're doing this. If you take your tape measure, we all know, or you should know, basic base cabinets are 24 inches across. Okay, wall cabinets are 12 across. Height variation is real simple. Base cabinets are 34.5. This particular wall cabinet is a 30-inch wall cabinet. So we want to make a platform underneath of this. And by the way, that's for our electric when we're done. We want to raise this up to the height of 34.5. So the difference is 1x pine in a box platform mode, which I'll show you how to construct really easily. And that's going to infill. So if we revert this and give you a quick idea how we're building it, I'll set this on here. Keep in mind, it's completely upside down at this point because we're just trying to give you a quick demo on how this is going to work. So let's go like this with the camera, see if this will work. When this is done, don't know if that works or not, probably not, but that gives you a quick idea. Turn your head. But we're gonna install that base to the bottom. Now we know that that base works because we measured the difference and it comes out to about 4 inch 3/8. So what we did is we power planed our boards down to the height. So we have a matching grade here. So we know when we put that platform underneath, put the cabinets on top, we're gonna have a nice height to work with. Always got to shim stuff as you go, especially on this floor since we do have some sagging. That's an older home. But ultimately the idea is to be able to build something that we can functionally have all around. And the main idea of this is to stick with an overhang that's palatable for the size of the kitchen and for the homeowner. Cabinets are going to stop at 36, which means I'll probably run this 10 inches out with an overhang. This will be the stool area. On 6 foot, you can get at least 4 in there. So we're going to set this and get right back with you. Okay, we're back. Here's what I did. Roughly, I just set that little platform there just so you could see what it's like. I set a cabinet on it. I put a clamp on it. Again, just so you can see how we're doing this. Now we match the same height. So if you look at the cabinets, our countertop can come all the way across and extend. Once these are all attached together, and we'll have mounts underneath the cabinets. One easy way that I mount the box, and the box is real simple. We know our height, or I'm sorry, our length is going to go from the inside of your cabinet from one end to the other. In this case, it was 71.5. The math difference between this part, which is the back end of the cabinet, and this end, with the pine set here and the pine set here, that gives us an infill of 7.5, which you see on the end and on the infills. We're just building a basic rectangular box. I don't think I have to tell you how to build that. Okay? The idea in the video is to show you how to utilize a wall cabinet. Now, real quick, take a look at our profile for kick toe 3-inch. And again, over here we have a profile kick toe 3-inch. Look at it from over here. It's proportion. That gives you the effect of a base cabinet because we essentially turned that wall cabinet into a base. And then one other tip. The last tip is how to secure the box to the floor. Now we have full hardwood here. So an easy way that I find is just take simple 45-degree cuts off of the same pine board that you're using here. All you're doing is flipping it back and forth, make a cut, flip it, make a cut, flip it, make a cut. You're going point to point. You're just making square cuts off of the miter saw on a 45-degree angle, and you just position it in. Brad it to the floor, brad the box to the clamp. Or I'm sorry, to the block. Brad it to the floor, attach your brads and fasteners to that. The box will stay still. Your job is then to effectively measure outward, coming across and attaching to the pine in the cabinet to make sure that the cabinet doesn't move. Okay, and then you'll attach all and assemble everything else. So that's basically about it. All we're really trying to do is use, again, wall cabinets in the place of base cabinets to give us a functioning island on both sides and something that's palatable but not too wide for the homeowner to use. So prior to mounting, I'll pass my electric up through the hole. Again, that'll get cut out and the box will be installed. And there's our finished panel, which will cover the entire seam and give you the effect of one large cabinet. Pretty neat. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell if you want updates on other videos as we post. And feel free to look around through the YouTube channel. There's about 60 plus videos on DIY tips, everywhere from bathrooms to kitchens and more. And don't forget to like it as well. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video. Have a great day.